Okay. Good morning, everyone. How are we all doing today? I hope you're doing well. I hope you're prepared for the lovely session that we're going to have. And to start off with the session, I would like to introduce myself. For those who don't know me, my name is Ali, and I'm an HFX educator. And I started TMT a couple of weeks ago, I would say 2 to 3 weeks ago. Good morning, all. Good morning. And now, as I said, I'm a part of the educating team. And now to begin with my session, what I usually do, I don't straight away head into trading. No, I don't do that. I start with positivity, something to train our mindset, something to boost our confidence, because who knows? Somebody could have had a bad day yesterday. They could have woken up in a bad mood. And I'm here to change that to the positive perspective. And how do I do that? I train the mindset. I provide good knowledge. I provide motivation to people so they can be prepared properly to start trading. And I will do that first of all by sharing 5 quotes. You guys, just give me a second. Okay. Now, these are my short quotes for trading. I'll begin with the first one. The first one is, traders can't grow without losses. In fact, you need them, so you learn lessons. I repeat this one more time. Traders can't grow without losses. In fact, you need them, so you learn lessons. Now, instance, what does this mean? Us as traders, we can't grow without losses. No matter how experienced you are, you can be the best trader in the world. You can be professional. You can be out of this world. And eventually, we will still come across losses. That's completely normal. And you can't do nothing about it. You must accept it. In general, in life, it's not only about trading. Generally in life, there's always losses here and there, but we must accept them. But the correct way of seeing those losses is as lessons. What I do is I remove the word losses from the dictionary and I replace it with the word lesson, because the word lesson is much more helpful, much more powerful and suitable for us. Because if we constantly tell ourselves, oh, we lost, we had a loss there, we had a loss there, we're just having a negative mindset there. We start thinking negatively, we're overthinking it. And who knows, we might lose interest for trading like that. But by replacing the word lesson, yes, it's not a big difference, but it helps us better. When you say the word lesson, let's say, oh, okay, I had a lesson there. And you tell yourself, okay, the fact that I had a lesson there, I need to go back and check what I did wrong so I can know my mistake. And that's what you do. You check back the market, analyze the market, check where you did wrong, and you can be, oh, okay, here, that's what I did wrong. So I might do something better next time so I can potentially have a win. But realistically, sometimes what happens is our setup, our strategy can be 100% on point, but the market can do anything it wants, ladies and gentlemen. The market has the power in hand. They have the power in their hands. So even if our strategy, even if our strategy is correct.
Bag. Help Dad.
Yeah, as I was saying, even if our strategy is correct, the market can do anything it wants and go the other way around. But that's fine. And as I said, the correct way of understanding losses is by lessons. Remove that word from your brain, the word losses, and replace it with the word lesson. And believe me, it will work out better for you. Now, to head on to the second quote that I have for you guys, it's, if you're not trading with a strategy, you are not trading, you are gambling. I'll repeat this one more time. If you're not trading with a strategy, you are not trading, you are gambling. I mean, pretty much says in the quote, us as traders, we require a strategy, and if you don't have that, we are gambling. What's the point of doing trading when we don't have a strategy? That is a key point of trading. And I believe it's either one of the most important or the most important point in trading. That's why I say, no matter what we do, when we are trading, we must have a strategy. Because when I'm doing live sessions as an educator, yes, I always have a strategy. But in your spare time, when you are doing trading, you must have a strategy as well. Got a notification here. Mood persistence power. Okay.
You will. Have you got your packed lunch?
Okay, just trying to see.
Empty it. Katie,
Okay.
you're not muted.
I think I've muted everyone now. So that's fine. Okay. Now, yeah, as I was saying, it's better off. Got a notification one more time. Yeah, that's fine. Don't worry, Katie. And yeah, as I was saying, if you don't have a strategy, it's gambling. It's better off going to the casino, putting all our money there, and just testing our luck there rather than trading. And most likely, if you go to the casino, you come back home with empty pockets. Do we want that? No, we don't want that. That's why I say we must have a strategy. Now, to head on to the third quote that I have for you guys is, in trading, discipline is 100 times more important than IQ. I repeat this one more time. In trading, discipline is 100 times more important than IQ. Now, instance, what does this mean? Us as traders, we can have a lot of knowledge in trading, don't get me wrong. We can be super smart, we can have the most IQ in the world, but our discipline is more important than that. Because ladies and gentlemen, if we are not disciplined in trading, we technically aren't traders. That's how I see it from my point of view. I believe every trader must have discipline and must be disciplined at all times. We must discipline ourselves to when it's necessary to enter the market and when it's necessary to leave it. We must tell ourselves, okay, now it's time to leave. Okay, now it's time to enter. And for an example with lessons, okay, I had enough of lessons. I had 2 lessons. I'm stopping for the day. Or for instance, okay, I had a couple of wins, 2, 3, 4 wins. Okay, I'm done for the day. We must discipline ourselves. We must control our emotions. We must be, instead of the market controlling us, we must control it, even though it's hard to do. Because we must tell ourselves what to do. Do you understand my point? Because that's why I say discipline is 100 times more important. Because if you're not disciplined, we might carry on trading for the whole day, non-stop, and we can blow our account in less than a day. And that's not suitable. We don't want that. Now that I'm done with the third quote, I'll be heading on to the fourth quote. And that's it. No matter what, keep on practicing. Practice makes perfect. I repeat this one more time. No matter what, keep on practicing. Practice makes perfect. Now, essence, we must practice. If we want to be successful, we want to achieve our goals, to achieve our dreams of trading, we must keep on practicing no matter what. Because if we just do trading just for the fun of it, no, it's not going to work out. Because if we, as I said, if we want to go big with trading, we must keep on practicing daily. Just practice, because practice makes perfect. Okay, you might say, Ali, the word perfect doesn't exist. I agree with you. I 100% agree with you because no one's perfect. I'm not perfect. Trading is not perfect. You guys are not perfect. I'm being honest because nobody's perfect in this world. But what we can do, we can get to a point where we can feel comfortable, successful, and who knows, financially free. And I believe all of us want that. Nobody wants to work a 9-to-5 job for the rest of their lives. No. Why should we work 9 to 5 till we're 60, then retire and have roughly 10 to 15 years free of our life? No. Why don't we put in the work and practice daily for trading? And who knows, trading can help us retire from a 9-to-5 job. It won't be better just to work 1 to 2 hours a day for trading, get your money instead of working 9 to 5 in a job. Got a notification there. Practice makes progress. Exactly. Practice makes progress, as Katie said. It gets you to a better point in life. But to keep on practicing, we must stay passionate. Because if we just practice without having love or passion towards trading, it won't work out. Because trading requires passion. You must want it. Do you understand my point? You must feel it inside. You must tell yourself, yeah, trading is for me. You must believe in yourself when you're practicing it. Now that I got that through, my final quote, my fifth quote is, always finish what you started. Trust your instincts. I'll repeat this one more time. Always finish what you started. Trust your instincts. Now, what does this try to say to us? What does the last quote want to represent? What is the key message to it? Now, what it is, when we are doing something, no matter what it is, I'll give you an example of trading. Don't get to the middle point of it, to the beginning point of it and leave it there. No, Go from beginning till the end. Finish what you started. I'll repeat it one more time. Finish what you started. And while we are doing that, we must trust our instincts. Because, for instance, we're doing our strategy. And when we're doing it from the beginning to the end, we must trust our instincts. We must believe in ourselves that it will go our way. We must have self-belief, confidence, because trading requires a lot of confidence and risks. We must take a lot of risks here. That's what I say. When we're doing something, we must believe in ourselves. We must tell ourselves, okay, now that I have done that, I have done everything from the beginning to the end, I believe it will go my way. I believe it will win. And keep it in mind. If it does go our way and we do actually win after all that we have done, we will feel much more confident. Mark my words. I believe in this, and I have had personal experience with this, because finishing what we started and trusting our instincts, it is powerful. And once it goes our way, we will feel much more powerful. We will feel amazing. We will feel great. But yes, realistically, we might have a lesson there. It might not go our way. That's fine. But as I said, us traders can't go without losses, and anything is possible. But we must stay positive. We must stay patient. We must take risks, and we must trust our instincts. We must believe in ourselves and have confidence. Now that I have that through, I'll stop sharing my screen. I hope that brought a bit of confidence into you, something to inspire you, something to motivate you for the day, so we can start trading. Now, what I will be doing is we will be heading into trading now. Just going to share my screen. Just give me a second. Okay. Here I have a short video for you guys, but I'll be presenting that at the end, because right now I would like to look at the charts. Where is the market at the moment though? It is confused. I'll just refresh my page. Just give me a second there. Okay. I checked the news earlier. There's nothing there. Okay, I can't seem to find a JPY. Where is it? Where it is? That's confusing. Let's look at AUD. There we go. It's here. Okay, I removed my drawings. Just give me a second. Now, what I will be doing is, I'll just show you that. Just give me a second. I will just show you the news so you can have it in mind as well. There's no news. I said it as well. There's news at 1:30 p.m., but we don't have to worry about that. What I do now is, wow, look at the current situations there. It is looking crazy. Because as we know, it's a Friday, and Fridays can get messy, but we don't worry about that. We must stay positive. Today, there's a lot of currency pairs that are looking strong, but the one that I would look first of all is AUD. I would look at AUD JPY, because keep in mind, JPY has the strongest strength. It has the most bars, so that's the strongest pair. And AUD is the weakest. So I would look at AUD JPY for a bearish condition. For a bearish condition. There we go. Okay, AUD JPY is here. Now, what I would wait for AUD JPY to do. Due to us going for a bearish condition, I will wait for the market to go up. So it can start bouncing back down. Now, what I do is I look for support and resistance areas. Let's try to find one here. Okay. These areas are weak. Okay. Just searching for one. Just give me a second. Oh, I mean, realistically, the areas might be higher. Okay, there's an area here. Okay, I found an area. I went quite to the past, because look here. I hope you see my mouse. Right here is a strong roof. The market went down from here up to here. It has a strong roof. Then it bounced back down. Here's a strong roof here. I'll just draw the area here. And right here, it had a strong floor, which is a bit higher. There we go. Here had a strong floor. The market went up from here down to here. So this is a good area. The market is going towards our way at the moment. Let's see what the market will do. It might already bounce back from there. We will see, because I haven't yet drawn my area and the stochastic is not there yet. The MACD is not there yet, but the stochastic is getting closer and closer. So that is well. This is going to be my area for ADJPY. My first area, in fact. I will be drawing another area. So keep in mind, it's already inside of my area. Sometimes what the market does is only the weak point touches that point and then starts bouncing back down. But I would wait because the candle is looking strong. We don't know what it's going to do. But potentially, even if you entered it here, it could still be well. But what I would wait for, I would wait for the correct time period to enter. The strong time periods I prefer entering is the 30-minute time period, the 45-minute time period, and the hourly time period. Those 3 time periods has the strongest moves and most likely will go towards our direction. Now let's see. It's already starting to bounce back down slightly from that area already where it was. It touched the weak point there. But now let's see. I would look for a higher point. I already saw one here that had eyes on it earlier. This one. This area is more preferred for me. It's my better preferred area right here. Because look, the market went down, up from here, down to here, touched the area here, went up, touched it again. This is the flow of it, had a strong flow. Then here, the market went down from here, up to here, had a strong groove. It wasn't technically that of a strong groove, but it was still well. This area as well, as I said. That would be my more preferred area, to be fair. My second area would be more preferred, ladies and gentlemen. Just going to draw a rectangle there so you can see it better. So please note down the areas. The first area, which is this one I have is from 402 to 438. The second area is from 598 to 629. So please note down those areas. The mark is already there. Now, what I will do here, if this candle closes in the 30-minute time period inside of my area, I would take it for bearish condition. Even though the MACD is not there, the stochastic is roughly there. But keep in mind, it also crossed the yellow trend line on opposite direction. But already made a move because it crossed it here and it made a move here. And technically, he made a move here as well. So let's see. It is running away from our area. But let's see what the market can do. Okay, I have already 2 areas there. This candle, as I said, is moving strong. It is moving strong. That's why I would prefer waiting. But let's see, the market could, I mean, realistically, the market, even if it closes roughly about here, it can still bounce back down from there. JPY is losing strength. Let's check that. It's going to refresh my page. Yes, it is. Thank you for notifying that to me. Yes, JPY is losing strength. So now what I believe is, for that confirmation, the next candle could more likely be bearish. That gives us a better confirmation. There's 1 minute till that candle. Okay. Actually, there's 15 seconds. So that entry still would be well if you already took it. Even though it's not inside my area, the stochastic is there. The MACD is not even there yet. That's fine. But if you don't like to take it, that's on you because it's looking kind of risky. Let's see what the market can do there. Or if it doesn't bounce back down there, I would wait to hit my second area, my more preferred area, as I said. If it hits here, I would most definitely take it. Most definitely take it. Let's look at AUD/USD now. We can draw another area. USD has lost a lot of strength. The last time I looked at it, I think it was 2-3 bars higher. Okay. Let's see what the market is going to do now. Okay. You know what? I would look at Euro AUD. I would avoid AD currency pairs for now, just for like a couple of minutes. And I would look at Euro AUD. Now, Euro AUD is bullish. It seems to be making the move there already. But let's see. If it closes red, it's already in a good area, so I would like to take it. Okay. I will look further to the market just to check if this is a good support resistance area. Yes, it is. It is a good area because look here. It had a strong roof here. The market went down from here up to here. The roof touched it. And right here had a strong floor. So as I said, it's already making the move. Unfortunately, we might have missed out that trade. But what I would wait for is, if this candle is going to push a bit higher. There we go. If this candle closes bearish and inside of my area, I would like to take it. Keep that in mind. Okay, let's look at ADJPY real quickly, see what he's doing. I mean, might have already made a move there. We will see this 3 more minutes to the end of the candle. Yes, as I said, the Euro UAD AUD is already making the move. But that's fine. That's completely fine. Please pay attention to the area for Euro AUD. The area is 729 to 749. That's the area for Euro AUD. Now, if this closes blue and the next candle is red and it hits my area, I would still take that trade because look, the stochastic is there, the MACD is there, the support and resistance area is well. So it is looking well. I will look for another area just in case if it doesn't bounce back there. This area is not looking bad right here. I mean, in fact, I think it's a good area. Yes, it is. Because look here, ladies and gentlemen, this area is better than the first one. Here, the market had a strong uptrend. The roof, it hit the roof there. And then it had a floor. The market went up from here, down to here, it had a strong floor. And then it started bouncing back up. That's the thing with support resistance. We look for strong floors and strong roofs. Wow, look at Euro AUD is running away from us. Wow, 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 wow. That is a crazy move there. Okay, I will draw my area here. This is going to be my second area, ladies and gentlemen. It will be my more preferred area, so keep that in mind. But potentially can still make the move there. Okay. Let's look at ADJPY. Oh yeah, it is going towards our direction. So if you did enter that, you would be winning it so far. ADUSD, you would be winning it as well. But let's see what the market will do. Realistically, it's already in a good area. ADUSD. Okay, there we go. Because look here. It had a strong floor here. The market went up from here, down to here, hit the floor, here again one more time, then it hit it again and again. So it had a couple of strong floors. And this is the present roof. Wow, look at that move, ladies and gentlemen. If you manage to take that trade, it is well. It is well. So yeah, it is already in a good area, but let's see what the market will do. If ADUSD gets back to my area again, I would take it again. But realistically, they already made a move. I mean, yeah, ADJPY, you could have cleared it easily there. As long as you took it about here, you would have cleared it. Okay, now let's wait for this candle, see what it's going to do. If it's going to go up to my better preferred area, which is this one. If it does, I would enter it. Now, we have 3 areas to look at: ADUSD, ADJPY, and Euro AUD. Look at this. I hope you saw this before me. It's giving us a it's giving us a green label and it's going towards that direction. So that is looking well. Now let's look at another currency pair. Okay, JPY has lost a lot of strength there, ladies and gentlemen. Now South franc is the strongest. What is going on there? What does that do? Never mind, there we go. Okay, now what I would look at. I would look at Euro USD. Yeah, I would like to look at Euro USD to see what is it doing there. And as we know, Euro USD is a bullish position. Well, it's already there, it's already a bullish condition. But what the market can do, it could be a pullback area. Right here. That could be already a well pullback area. From here till here. This area right here, ladies and gentlemen, will be a pullback area. We don't have much time for it. We have about 3 minutes. So look, he already hit it, but I would wait for the candle to go back to touch it again. Then I would take it. So Euro USD, this is the pullback area for Euro USD. Because as I said, Euro USD is bullish. Let's see, if it touches my area, I would most likely take it, or my preferred thing to do is wait for the candle to close, see if it's going to close inside of it. Let's look at ADJPY. It's going towards my area. It's getting closer and closer. ADUSD is not there yet. Okay, let me look at our area on a downwards direction where it's not a pullback, where it is a support resistance, where we can take it for a bullish condition when it goes back down. Okay. Let's look further back. Okay, there's an area here, but it's pretty far. Okay, this area as well. It's far as well, but it's fine. We are patient. Got a notification there. Can you give the area for ADUSD, please? Yes, sure. I might have not given it, so I apologize for that. There's 2 more minutes for that candle. Okay, so the area is 396 to 417. I'll repeat it one more time. 396 to 417. Okay, now that we've got that area there, if it touches my area, I believe it will bounce back down. The stochastic is there, the MACD is there, everything is on point. ADJPY is going to my area, so hopefully, let's see how many seconds there are left. 30 seconds. If this hits my area in the next 30 seconds, I would like to take it. Thanks, no worries. It's getting closer. Hopefully we'll hit it. Let's bounce it back down. It is getting really close. If it just touches the line, I would still take it, ladies and gentlemen. If not, I would wait for the next candle. This candle is strong, but it's losing strength. Okay, this 4 seconds, no. Unfortunately, won't reach it. It didn't reach it. Now, this candle, I would wait for it to hit my area. But it could already make the move there. Who knows? ADUSD didn't hit my area. The weak point almost hit it. But technically, if you look at it closer, it didn't hit my area. But it seems to be making the move already. That's unfortunate. Let's look at Euro AUD. It is far away. Euro USD, look, if you take that trade there, that was my pullback area. It's already making the move. This is my support resistance area. Let's see if you will touch it. So for Euro USD, my pullback area is from 309 to 327. So if you enter the day, you would be clearing it massively right now. But my support resistance area for Euro USD is 229 to 242. That is my support resistance area for Euro USD. Now for Euro AUD, here are my areas. Hopefully you've seen it there. I think I've provided them already. ADJPY running away. ADUSD running away. Okay, but let's see. There's 4 minutes to the end of the candle. It could bounce back up and hit our area. So far, there hasn't been any trades that we can realistically take. And I haven't seen any no one take the trades yet. But Euro USD is going towards my support resistance area, which is well. Let's refresh the page and see. Okay. JPY has lost a lot of strength there. Hopefully it can bounce back up so we can take that trade. But other than that, I would look at one more currency pair because we already have enough. We have 4 currency pairs here. I would look at one more. And that would be, what can we look at? What about JPB AUD? Let's see if I have that. Yes, I do. JPB AUD, I haven't traded pounds in a while. But let's see how it will go for us. Let me just get an eye on the areas quickly, see what the market is doing. Okay, so you already have my areas. If you see any of my areas being touched, I would like to take them, because keep in mind we're going towards the 45-minute time period, and that gives us a better confirmation there. But for then, I would look at JPPADA. Sorry, just give me a second there. School run time. Thank you, Ali. See you all later. Okay, see you later and have a good day. JPB AUD is bullish, so I would like the market to go down, but it's already going towards a pullback area. I will look at the pullback first because it's closer. It's already there realistically, so if you could get it there, it will still be well. Cleared AU, that is great. That is great. I believe you must have taken it on the weak point there. Okay, what was I looking at? Yes, JPPAUD. Okay, this is my area for the pullback for JPB and AUD. It already touched it, but hopefully if it hits it again, you could take it because it is looking like a good pullback area. There's 30 seconds of that candle. Let's see what the market will do if you'll hit it. Okay, seems to be losing strength there. ADJPY is running away. Okay, let's see. Look at this. If this closes in our area, will be well, but now it's 3 more seconds to it. We haven't got it. We didn't take it there. But look at Euro USD. If you manage to take it there, that was a pullback area, so it could be looking well there. So far, we have one clear for the day. Wow, a lot of currency pairs on my broker are in OTC. That is unfortunate. Okay, that's fine. Now, let's see what the market will do. We already have 5 areas. That's enough for us. AUD/USD, Euro/AUD, Euro/USD. I mean, so far only Euro/USD seems to be making a move. Nothing else. I mean, the market seems to be quite, I don't know, it's quite confusing today. There's not much to be taken. There's only one clear. And hopefully if you manage to take that trade as well, that'll be fine. AUD/JPY is going towards my area. So is AUD/USD. Okay, now let's wait, see what's going to happen. Okay. JPD/AUD is getting close to it. And the AUD/JPY now just sitting in the middle. AUD/USD is already making a move. Because keep in mind, they did hit my area. Next candle was bearish, bullish, bearish, and bearish. Euro/AUD made the move already. Since it hit my area, it hasn't had a bad candle. Okay, it's a waiting game for us now. Because there's no point of drawing more areas because it'll be more confusing for us. Okay, Euro/USD seems to be running away once again. It's making a similar move like the previous candle. The previous candle came to here, then it bounced back up and closed there. The weak point was strong. Okay, AUD/JPY is getting closer to my area again. But keep in mind, we are looking for bearish conditions for AUD/JPY. So realistically, this could be a pullback area towards the upwards direction. But let's see, we will find that out. JPD/AUD just hit my area. So this could already be looking well. Just gonna have it prepared. It seems to be bouncing back down. But if you took it there, you would be winning it so far, which is well. But let's see, if the whole candle closes inside of my area, that would be better. There's two more minutes. It just hit it one more time. So realistically, you had a couple of opportunities there to take it. Because as I said, sometimes only the weak point hits it. But my preferred thing to do is wait for the whole candle to enter it. Let's see. Now there's 1 more minute left. Now the 1 minute candle seems to be bearish from our broker point of view. So realistically, that could have been already a great area to enter. It already is. AUD/JPY not near. AUD/USD running away. Euro/AUD, nope. Euro/USD, nope. I would look at only JPD/AUD right now. It's still inside my area, so technically that could already be a good entry. There's 15 seconds for that area. Let's see what the market will do. 10 seconds. Wow, it went up well there. It went up well. Now, there we go, it's starting to go bearish. From there now, I believe it will be bearish. There's 5 more minutes for that candle. Let's see. AUD/JPY is getting closer to my area. As I said, this could be a pullback area for us. Okay, AUD/USD seems to be going lower. Euro/AUD has just smashed it out today. It has had 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5th one is also bullish. So it has had about roughly 5 bullish candles since it hit my area. That is crazy. That is crazy. Euro USD is just not doing nothing. Hit my area 4 times, once, twice, 3, 4, and it still hasn't made a move. Now this present candle seems to be bearish, but let's see how it will close. Let's look at the currency strength for now. JPD AUD is still in our favor, still bearish. No, not bearish, sorry, bullish. But as I said, this is a pullback. No, hold on. Yeah, as I said, this is a pullback area for us for JPD AUD. And as I said, pullback areas are well, at the same time they can be risky. But we did take that risk. Hopefully, if you take that trade, you will be winning it. Especially in the close of the candle, it will be even better. Now, let's see. ADJPY. It's getting closer and closer to my area. Hopefully, we'll reach it. AUD/USD is just running away once again. Okay, your USD, same thing. Okay. Now we just must wait and see what the market will do. There's 3 more minutes till that candle. Thank you. I have to go now. That's fine. See you later. Wow, it is running away from us. Okay, that's unfortunate. But look at that. ADJPY has just hit our area. So that is looking like a well area. I mean, realistically, I would look for a pullback area for AUD/USD as well. Because why not? Wow, look at this present candle, ladies and gentlemen. This candle is going crazy. It's going crazy. I believe this could be a well area here. Give me a second. Because look, here had a strong floor, and then here had a strong roof, even though it crossed it a bit, but that's fine. That is a well area for us. He already hit it, but let's see what the market will do. There's 2 more minutes of that candle. Keep in mind, this for AUD/USD is for a pullback. It is for a pullback. The area is from 296 to 306. ADJPY already hit my area as well. The area is from 402 to 438. Both are looking well. Let's look back at JPD AUD. No, we seem to be losing it. We seem to be having a lesson there. It didn't do what I wanted it to do. So if you took that trade, you would be having a lesson on it so far. Because let's see. Euro USD is in my area as well. But I would ignore it. I would look at ADJPY and AUD/USD for now. It is looking well. Both are looking well. Lesson on JPD AUD, same with you, Sonia. Had a lesson there as well. So it's looking like a 1-1 situation for us. That's fine. Okay, there's 10 seconds for AUD/USD and ADJPY. Both are looking well. Let's see if we will have a good pullback there. Or will it carry on going down? Seems to be not. Seems to be starting bullish. But let's see. Because it is a Friday today, and Fridays can get messy, as I said. Fridays can get messy. Second there. Okay. Now it's all just a waiting game. If any of you took the trades there, just need to wait. JPT AUD, no, it has messed it up there. Euro USD seems to be in our area, but I'm not that comfortable with it because look here, made a couple of moves and it made the move after 4 bullish candles. So no, I would ignore it. Okay, AUD/USD seems to be bearish. AUD/JPY, however, seems to be bullish so far. Let's look at currency strengths. AUD/JPY still in our favor. AUD/USD still in our favor. So okay, it is well. It is well. But it doesn't seem to be making a move. Okay, I would look at another pullback area if it doesn't bounce back down, bounce back up from there. And in fact, this could be a good area here. I already draw the line there. Okay, that will be our second pullback area because it seems to be running away. Okay, AUD/JPY seems to be running away as well. That's fine. We will just stay patient and see this. 3 more minutes of that candle. Keep in mind, we are going towards the hourly time period. So that is well. Okay, this could be our next pullback area. It has a good flow. Just give me a second. The market went up from here, down to here, had a good flow. The market went down from here up to here, had a decent roof. It wasn't a strong roof, but it was decent. But let's see. This will be my second pullback area. The stochastic is not there, fortunately. No, sorry, the stochastic and MACD are there, but it's for support resistance area. But that's fine. The pullbacks could be well, even though they are risky. If you don't want to take pullbacks, that's fine. But look at this, AUD/JPY is already making a move. So if you manage to take it there, you would be winning it so far. Okay. Let's look back at the previous candles. Euro AUD is just something different. It's doing crazy today. JPT AUD, nope, ignoring it. Well, so far we'll just look at AUD/JPY and AUD/USD. There's 1 more minute to that candle. AUD/JPY already made the move. AUD/USD seems to be bearish. Okay. For 20 more seconds to the end of the candle. As I said, AUD/JPY already made the move, so I would only look at AUD/USD. So if AUD/USD closes bearish, I would like to take it, even though if it's not in my area, I would still like to take it because it's a good area and it's the correct hourly time period. Let's see what the market will do there. AUD/JPY, if you manage to take AUD/JPY, you would have cleared it. This is looking well. AUD/USD seem to be clearing it. Okay, other than that, everything else is not looking well. However, Euro USD is going back towards that area, but Hold on, take it. Now, pretty much, I will be done for the day. That's why I would like to be presenting a short video that I have for you guys. If you guys want to pay attention on the markets, that's fine. But I will be playing my video.
People don't realize what you gotta give up to become great. What sacrifices you gotta make to become great. What promises you gotta make to yourself to become great. Greatness ain't a thought process. Greatness is a lifestyle. It's what you live by. It's what you get every day. Breathe.
To want and to be ambitious and to want to be successful is not enough. That's just desire. To know what you want, to understand why you're doing it, to dedicate every breath in your body to achieve. If you feel you have something to give, if you feel that your particular talent is worth developing, is worth caring for, then there's nothing you can't achieve.
If you want to take the island, burn the boats. Because if there's no way to go back, it's amazing what happens when it's a must versus a should. Clarity is power. The more clear you are about exactly what it is you want, the more your brain knows how to get there.
Don't stop. Narrow your focus to one idea. One. Make it your priority and stick with it no matter what.
Your mind will say, okay, we're gonna figure it out, because he is not going to stop.
I don't know one motherfucker that is successful that doesn't take inventory of every fucking comment that anybody has ever made to them. Every time somebody doubts them, they get fucking pissed. And when they get pissed, they go out and do productive things. They don't dwell, they don't sit at home and cry in their beer. They go to the gym, they get their business plan together, they do whatever the fuck it takes to smash people in the fucking mouth with their progress. Build the kind of life that says I told you so without having to say a fucking word. It's about taking what people say you can't do and shoving it down their motherfucking throat. 100 to fucking nothing. That's how I operate. And that's how you should be thinking about it too.
Effort is isolated. Nobody can dictate. Effort is 100% in the mind.
Don't give in. Don't be like everybody else. Don't give up. Don't settle because things are hard. Don't let people talk you into their life. Become stronger, become better, become faster, become smarter, become more productive.
I'm ready to work that thing. I'm ready to come up out of my fear and my doubt and my worry. I'm ready to work every day and every opportunity. I'm ready to work that thing. Once you know where you are supposed to be, you need to run. Run means more might. It means more effort. It means more energy. It costs more to do it. You gotta spend more. You'll use more muscles. You'll burn more fuel. You'll expend more energy because destiny is expensive. You cannot step into a great destiny with a mediocre effort. You have to hit that thing with all of your might and all of your strength and all of your power. Run!
What does a $500,000 a year person do the $50,000 a year person doesn't do? He pays the price and a little bit more. He works hard and a little bit more. He bleeds and a little bit more. He makes money and a little bit more. He saves money and a little bit more. They do it and do it and do it until the job gets done. If you want to become somebody, do it. If you want to go in business for yourself, do it. If you want to become financially independent, do it. You do it and do it and do it.
So if you want that $500,000 house and that fucking Range Rover and the shit that you guys want, it's full throttle or no champagne bottle.
J Paul's getting stronger again, so keep an eye on me jumping later. Yes, but if I was you, Sonia, I would stop for the day. 2 lessons would be enough for me. I don't like to overtrade. So what I was saying, this was a motivational video. What it was trying to say that whatever it takes, we must keep on pushing, no matter how hard it gets. For example, We had 2 lessons here, but whatever it takes, we carry on going. We're not giving up. We are not giving up on this. That's what I say. It's completely fun to have lessons. This week, if you think about it as a weekly period, we have been winning the whole week, but today we had 2 lessons. So it is looking well for us. For the weekly time period, is looking well. Just for this day, we had a weekday, but that's fine. It was a weekday for us. That's fine. It's lessons. Later on, we'll go back to the markets, see what we've done wrong, because AUD/USD, it messed up as well. I predicted it would be going up. It didn't. It went down. But that's fine. 2 lessons, 1 win. It's bad for today, but that's fine. We move on. We carry on improving. Hopefully next time we'll do better. And thank you for joining my session. Hope you had a wonderful day. And I will be seeing you next time. Have a good day and take care. Goodbye.